In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download UPDF. UPDF is an AI-integrated PDF editor, converter, annotator, and reader. So whether you need to mark up documents, convert formats, or just read PDFs comfortably, it's a solid all-in-one option. I'll walk you through the two simplest ways to get the download from the official website, and I'll share a few quick tips so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official UPDF website. On the homepage, you'll notice a prominent free download button. This is the fastest route. Click that button and the site will typically detect your operating system and prepare the correct installer for you. Depending on your browser, you might see a prompt asking you to confirm the download or choose a location. If you don't change anything, the file usually goes straight to your downloads folder. Keep an eye on your browser's download bar or the downloads icon so you can see the progress and know when it's finished. If you prefer to choose your device type manually, use the products menu on the site instead. Click or hover over products and you'll see options for desktop and mobile. Select desktop if you're on a computer, then pick the operating system that matches your machine, like Windows or Mac OS. This ensures you get the installer that's compatible with your setup. If you're on a phone or tablet, choose the mobile option. From there, you'll be guided to the version that fits your device, and on many phones, you'll be directed to your device's official app store to complete the download. A few quick tips can help. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the file downloads without interruption. If your browser blocks downloads by default, you may see a small notification at the top of the window asking for permission. Allow the download from the official site. If you're not seeing anything happen after clicking, try refreshing the page and clicking the button again. And if you have multiple devices, double check that you're selecting the correct platform so you don't end up with the wrong installer. That's all there is to it. Use the free download button for the fastest path, or go through the products menu if you want to explicitly choose desktop or mobile. Once the file has finished downloading, you're all set to move on from there. Thanks for watching and enjoy working with UPDF.